Oh man. Is that our last bag of Doritos? Full. What the fuck? Oh my god. Little Timmy, why is the toilet overflowed?
I ate Taco Bell.
We didn't even have dinner last night. I forgot.
Yeah.
What is this book? What is this?
This is my...
So how'd you overflow the toilet over there?
It was the dog.
We don't have a dog.
Yeah, look.
We don't even have any pictures of it. Where'd you buy this from?
The market.
Super print copy paper. This is for offices jobs.
That's our family. And our dog.
Yeah, but he died.
For a remembrance.
Here, let me watch the video. Hold on. Then how'd it get there?
I don't know how it got there.